Hello everyone, James here. In this video I'll show you how to use Metamask with Etherdelta. On previous video I showed you how to install Metamask extension and and how to use it with my Ether wallet. In this video I'll show you how to use it with Etherdelta. So what Metamask is basically is a bridge between browser and Ethereum network, and it's a safer way to use Etherdelta, since Etherdelta was hacked and it keeps your private key. And with Metamask, no one is keeping your private key. You're the only holder of your private key, so it's way safer to use it. So what we can do once hopefully you install Metamask already, and it's the extensions right here, as you can see, that fox right there. So what we can do, we can just go to etherdelta.com, make sure that that's the correct website. Always, as you can see, it says that I am not logged into my Metamask and I cannot use Etherdelta right now. Once you're on Etherdelta, check it out, make sure that's the correct website, that everything is the same as you visit it all the time. So once you're on there, you can just go to your Metamask and log in, put your password and unlock your wallet. As you can see, that's my wallet right there. It shows that what I have and what I don't have. So once you do that, you can just refresh it, and that's it. You can see I'm logged into Etherdelta and I didn't put my private key or anything, so Metamask automatically does that. And another cool thing what they do that is they flag down phishing websites. So if you, like, let's say you're on Etherdelta but it's a phishing website, Metamask automatically will detect that and will not allow you to log in. So what we can do is, like, let's go purchase something. Let's say I want to buy Aeon. Like, let's say let me buy just one. Like, if I want to buy one, I usually just click on that. The fastest way you can do that, just click on top of the whoever is selling, just put one, and it will automatically, like, you can sell it, buy it right away like that. So you click buy, and it will Metamask will give you a notification like, hey, do you want to sign for this contract? And you can also pick gas price, like if you want it low or high or whatever your desire is. Sometimes if you put lower than what, like 4, it will it will fail the transaction, because the miners will reject it. So anyway, you can just do 2 or whatever you feel like. Then you can click submit, and as you can see, it says like, hey, you created a Ethereum transaction, and we can see it right here. So anyway, that's how you do that. Once you bought whatever coin you want, once you bought that, you can just withdraw. Make sure you withdraw from your Ether wallet to your wallet, so that way nothing is on Etherdelta, but everything is on your Ether wallet. In case Etherdelta gets hacked, you still have your precious coins with you. And yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, comments, please ask them, and I would be more than happy to help you and answer any questions you have. Thank you. You have a great day.